When installing your Mico Luxe Plus with just the car seat shell, no base, we call that taxi mode. It utilizes the belt guides on the shell to install your seat. When getting started, you're going to want to make sure that you're parked on a flat surface so that you can get a correct level to ground. And you're going to want to take a look at your seat on the vehicle seat and check for where those level to ground lines are. There's a sticker on either side of the shell that has a red level line. You're going to want to make sure that it is level with the surface that you're parked on, not your vehicle. So getting started, you're going to check that level line. Once you have a good level to ground, going to ensure that your handle is in the upright position. When using in taxi mode, this is the position it must be in. And then you're going to take your vehicle seat belt and begin to route the lap portion of the lap and shoulder belt through the belt guides. And then you're going to just click the seat belt in on the opposite side. You're going to now change over to the auto locking retractor in your vehicle seat belt by fully extending the seat belt until you hear a click and then letting it retract back in. You'll hear a bit of a retractor noise. That's how you know it's locked. From there, we can begin to take out the slack from the seat belt and ensure that we have a tight installation. Press down on the infant seat and begin to remove the slack, continuing to check that you're maintaining a level to ground line with the ground. Continue removing the slack and adjusting the seat as needed to maintain that level. Once you've removed enough slack to ensure a tight installation, you're going to check by wiggling back and forth at the seat bite area. If you have less than 1 inch of wiggle, you have a secure installation.